So I'm gonna go over pretty much what I'm gonna have in my personal carry-on bag for on the airplane for going to Hawaii for a backpacking trip, as well as we're gonna be traveling around the world after that. So we don't know our next destination after Hawaii yet. We've been thinking about Japan, but we're not quite sure. But so if you don't know who I am by now, my name is Asia. And my husband Shadow, who isn't in this video today, but because it's about my stuff. But anyways, so yeah, so I'm just gonna pretty much I'm like looking over at my stuff. Like I have like I feel like I have so much. But yeah. So a little bit of health history about me. I have asthma, so my lungs are bad. Yada yada. I still smoke cigarettes. Stupid, right? So, gonna be quitting as soon as we get on the airplane going to Hawaii. Done. Done. Going cold turkey on the cigarettes, like for real. So, yeah. So, I think we should get this video started. And I'm gonna walk over to my stuff. Here we go. What I got. Okay, so as you can see, this is everything that's going to be in my Coach tote. And I'm really thinking about getting like a backpack to throw all this in, but I'm not sure. Okay, so this little container here, this little pouch, so this carries my 2 eye sleeping pads. Shadow uses one, and I use one. And then I have this little piggy thing that like suctions. Let's see, yeah, so it suctions like really good, and that's for like my phone or I don't know, whatever I want to stand up, right? And then my son Landon gave me this little spinner thing, and yeah, I have kids, and Landon lives with his father, so. And then I have this little clean wipe to wipe down stuff. Some earplugs, some earbuds with a splitter, so me and Shadow can connect and listen to the same stuff or watch the same movie on our phones. Some hair ties, my Garmin watch here that Shadow got me, and I'm going to be using, and this has the charger, but I'm going to be using this when I do yoga or doing hikes and stuff. And then I have some little bits that I picked up for using on my phone for videos. So little lenses and a charger for the LED light. And then this is just an extra cord for, I don't know, whatever. It did go to our Bluetooth speaker, but we got rid of that because it stopped working. Excuse me. And then I have a little tripod, and these pull out and extend, so it's like, it's really awesome. It's compact, portable, it's really not that heavy. I have an extra charger here, USB charger, little charger part, a selfie stick, which I normally use a lot with my phone. That's all I have. I don't have a camera yet, and that's what I'm vlogging with. And then my Oakley sunglasses, Holbrook style. I absolutely love these, and Shadow got those for me as well. And then they have an eye case. This is my wallet, so it has like my, personal information. Our keys for the locks for our backpacks. Another charger that goes to my sunglasses that record. So these have a camera on them, as you can see. They're really, really awesome, and I believe that, yeah, these ones do night vision too, so that's going to be interesting for vlogging. So these are those sunglasses. And then this I actually keep in my wallet. Shadow got it for me. It's got 2 little hearts on it. I don't know if you can see that. And then it says on the back, I love you. Gosh, what is with this? Either my vision's bad or, well, actually, I have eyeglasses. That would probably be good for me to be wearing. And then the eyeglass case. So I'm going to throw these on real quick. and then my sunglasses, and which is my Michael Kors sunglasses. And I love these are like my fave ever. Oh, you can see me in them. Yeah, so these are my favorite, and I wear them like all the time. You've probably seen me in the videos. My Juicy Couture sunglass case. It's hard, so those go in there. A little mini notebook, another notebook. This one I've been using a lot for our just documenting stuff. So, yeah. And then 2 EOS chapsticks, 2 markers, and a pen and a highlighter. Warm fuzzy socks for the airplane. This is another eyeglass case for the recording sunglasses and the charger. And then, yeah, my Coach tote, and then my nebulizer, the little tubes and the mouth part for the nebulizer machine. So this, and then all my meds are gonna go in this bag. That's what I'm thinking about, like a small backpack. So yeah, that's what I have in there. And just another overview. Look, oh, extra little pieces for my earbuds. So yeah, so that's what I have for my personal carry-on bag. And if you like this video, hit subscribe, give me a thumbs up, hit the bells for notifications as well. And I'm sorry, I don't edit any of my videos. This is like all straight up raw footage right now until later down the road we can get, you know, better cameras and another laptop, because the one we had like totally busted out on us. So I do apologize. I've also noticed in a lot of our videos, my face looks like all crazy, whatever, but yeah, so that's what happens when you can't edit. And we've been conserving on our funds for traveling, so we're cheap asses right now. So anyways, yeah, and then I'll do an update video on my backpack as well. So this is everything, and if you, again, hit subscribe please, and give us a thumbs up, like us, follow along on Instagram. The link is below, as well as just stay tuned for more videos. It's going to be adventurous. We got, I think, like 6 days left till we fly out now to Hawaii. Yeah, so take care. Bye.